And welcome everyone, I'm Andrea Mocellin, founder and inventor of Revolve, the wheelchair in a new form. First of all, why do we need the wheelchair in a new form? If you are an active wheelchair user, traveling is a constant struggle. You need large cars where to store the bulky wheelchair. You need to check in the wheelchair before each flight. Indeed, you need constant assistance along the journey. Revolve aims to cut by 50% the time that the wheelchair user needs to reach destination by allowing the user to drive any car available, don't need to check in the wheelchair before the flight, and feel free and independent. How can we achieve this target or mission? Revolve aims to be the world's first active wheelchair suitable as cabin luggage in the cabin of an airplane. To achieve this target, the two foldable wheels deployed with the backrest and the seat, making the package extremely portable for the user. Indeed, it's not only saving space, but the patented mechanism allows you to use any car available in the market. For example, you can drive a Smart by folding the backrest and the seat together with the two foldable wheels, putting it together in the passenger seat of the car and making your journey much more pleasant. The project is being self-financed until March last year. It was a self-project launched through LinkedIn and quickly received millions of feedbacks around the world. Again, with Red Dot Award, Innovation of the Year Award, and most recently Time Magazine Best Invention 2021. But most importantly, we got 12,000 wheelchair users, which won this wheelchair today as early adopters. They are influencers, they are travelers, they are athletes, they are everyone that want to feel free and independent. For them, it's a game changer. And for this reason, we want to compete with a lightweight, affordable wheelchair market. But don't forget that we are saving 60% more space when the wheelchair is folded, making basically Revolve a total new architecture and product in the wheelchair industry. The way to market, we aim to launch a limited edition wheelchair to give to early adopters in the way to reach the global market in 2 years' time. Indeed, the team grew. I'm the founder and inventor with experience in global UMs and startups as designer. And we have Dexet Technology and Paisy helping us to develop with the engineering company with background in Formula One, both wheels and chair, together with the accelerator program of Toyota and Allianz. But we are not only a wheelchair company. We want to be a community. We want to improve the public service and the wheelchair service. And we want to be educational program for helping people with inclusion to improve universities and accessibility all around the world. Thank you very much for your time.
Well done with the disturbances around, and thank you also for reminding us that the prize is not only about sustainability, but it's also about inclusion, which is brilliant that we have a finalist here on stage. I've also been asked to remind you that every time a startup comes on stage, the voting opens on our platform, and every time they get off, we close it. You can vote for a startup at a time, and now you can vote for this guy. And now also, judges, if you would like to ask a question to Andrea, go ahead and grill him, and Vice President Pavlova, please go ahead.
Thank you for your very interesting proposal. One question about affordability, because you still to be defined as price, but I think price matters in this specific case, and affordability and really accessibility. These are the two big, let's say, elements which we need to address. How you plan to do it and what can be done about it.
Absolutely a good question, because the price of the product comes from the demand. We have 12,000 people worldwide that want this wheelchair. Means that we can manufacture thousands of wheelchairs for these users. We want to start with a limited edition wheelchair because we want to give to early adopters the opportunity to improve the product because it's not in the market yet. And the price will come with the demand and the manufacturing level. So if we are able to manufacture 4,000 wheelchairs per year, we can drop the price by 60%. Means that we can compete with any other wheelchair in the market today. But it all depends by the capital we're going to raise. We're going to start the fundraising campaign in a few weeks, as the project is being self-financed by myself and the partners in the project. And the mission basically is to give a democratic wheelchair to all the users.
Brilliant. We're now going to stop voting for Andrea and Revolve, and we're going to start voting on the next pitch.